Many people will be browsing the internet and they're going to hear some awful clicking sounds that just, to me, get very irritating. We first found this. You'll hear those noises there. About 5 or 6 clicks just in the process of loading a website. Here, if I click to change from Tigerville, South Carolina to Travelers Rest, South Carolina, you'll hear it even more. We were once doing a large presentation to thousands of people, and we kept hearing this clicking sound coming across the speakers, and we had to figure out how to turn it off. It's really quite simple, and this is true in all versions of Windows, although it doesn't appear as much in the newer versions of Windows beyond XP. But if you'll go to Control Panel, I prefer the classic view of Control Panel, and we're going to go under Sounds and Devices. We're going to look at Sounds, and if you scroll all the way to the bottom and then start to work your way back up, you'll see one called Start Navigation. When we hover over Start Navigation and click Play Sound, you'll notice that annoying sound that we've been hearing. All you have to do here is select the sound option, select None, and click OK. Now we can finally browse in peace. Thank you very much for watching.